You need to. We're going to see a lot of kids and families out here today, people of all ages, which is so amazing. And that's one of the great parts of this event, is that everyone is really can be involved and can experience it if they want to. I do want to introduce you to one of the charity riders. His name is Ken Abbott. Okay, Ken is a very special person celebrating today 10 years since he received a heart transplant, and he just actually finished a couple of weeks ago a cross-country ride to bring awareness to organ donation. But he talks about the special ride that he's about to take today in New York City here.
Well, I mean, the obvious thing that I'm bringing a new heart that I received from my donor almost 10 years ago at Mount Sinai Hospital. You know, I am a truly blessed individual. I've got a second chance at life through organ donation. So today I'm here with 14 other riders who are riding for Live On New York. We're one of the charity partners here at the 5-Borough Bike Tour, and really we want people to know how incredible organ donation can be and how outstanding the donors are.